Okay, I'm gonna try. Hello, how is everybody doing today? Okay, this is gonna be a quick video. I am cooking wings in an air fryer. Barbecue spicy wings, that is. Make sure your meat is dry so the season can stick. So let's get to it. We get ready to season. I dried the meat. These are just some wings. It was whole wings and I cut them in half. I'm just taking a paper towel and getting that extra water. Because yes, I cleaned them, I washed them, soaked the wings. Okay, let's season it up. Add some salt, some pepper. So I'm just putting a little oil on the napkin. Put it in. Ooh. Ooh. Hope all of it can fit. Okay, I got it in. I want to make my sauce that I want to rub on it. Found a new hot sauce. Tell me if y'all tried this before. Zatarain's Cajun hot sauce made with real aged red peppers and garlic. So let's see. Hopefully it's good. Mix this up. I'm not going to use this. Just a little, what you call it, brush. Then I'm going to add it to the wings and thing. See, I'm rubbing let me dap it. Don't rub it, because you're rubbing the salt, the season off. Just kind of dap it. Dap it, dap it, dap it, dap it. I'm back with the wings. It stopped. I put the barbecue sauce on. I flipped it over. And I'm telling y'all, it does look good. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. And it smells good. Yeah, it smells so good. It's too hot to try. There you go. Air fry barbecue spicy wings, baby. So here you go, baby. Spicy barbecue air fry wings. Okay, I'm gonna try.